Tire pressure monitoring system. Tire pressure monitoring system monitors the air pressure and temperature inside all running tires and alerts you in case of low pressure, high temperature, signal missing, spare tire swap, and air leakage of all the tires. Tiretronics benefits are driving in specified tire pressure helps in achieving optimal fuel efficiency, better maneuvering and braking ability. Tiretronics increases the safety and performance of your vehicle and decreases the risk of an accident. Tire pressure monitoring system continues to alert you until the problem is rectified. Operation of TPMS. Tire pressure monitoring system uses wireless technology with wheel rim mounted electronic sensors to monitor tire pressure. TPMS sensors transmit tire pressure and temperature readings to the receiver module. Receiver module in turn communicates this information to instrument cluster and infotainment system. Operations of TPMS normal mode. If all the tire pressure are normal and within the limit, telltale TPMS indication lamp on the cluster will remain off. And in the infotainment system, while navigating to the Tiretronics window, will display OK as per image only. The spare tire pressure shall update occasionally. Therefore, spare tire pressure checked manually. Note: the spare tire information shall not update until the leak is observed. Any of the sensor normally will not transmit in standstill condition to conserve the battery, and it would start the transmission only when wheel is running. So it is not possible for spare tire to identify the presence. The user can press Show All button is HMI to see the pressure and temperature. Alert condition. If there is a low pressure or high pressure or air leakage correspondingly, alert will pop up in the infotainment display for 5 seconds. The infotainment display will toggle with the tire pressure value in case of pressure alerts. At any point of time, you can navigate to TPMS screen to view the tire information. TPMS indication lamp in the cluster will come on the buzzer. The buzzer will warn for 2 seconds for each new alert. The TPMS indication lamp will remain on until the error is rectified. Tire locations will display as OK if all tire pressure and temperature is within the recommended range. If any tire signal is not received or tire not learned or sensor faulty or receiver unit faulty, then system will alert with error in the screen for the tire or for whole system, and the TPMS indication lamp in the cluster will blink for a few seconds and remain on, and the buzzer will alert with sound for 2 seconds. In this condition, please contact the nearest authorized service center. Tire swapping. If any of the tires were swapped with spare tire, then the system will indicate as spare tire swap. TPMS learning procedure. In case if tire's location has been changed from its original location, manual learning should be done for the system. To initiate the learning process, keep the ignition in off position. Hold and release the trip button. Turn the ignition key from off to on. Learning. System will enter into the learning mode and siren will beep twice as a indication, which is also indicated in the infotainment display with the screen as front left tire learning. Start removing the air from front left tire in the vehicle till the vehicle siren beeps once or the screen showing front left tire learning completed. After learning FL tire, infotainment screen will show front right tire learning. Now start removing air from front right tire in the vehicle till the vehicle siren beeps once and the screen showing FR tire learning becomes completed. After learning FR tire, infotainment screen will show RR tire learning. Start removing air from rear right tire in the vehicle till the vehicle siren beeps once or the screen showing RR tire learning completed. After learning RR tire, Infotainment screen will show RL tire learning start removing air from rear left tire in the vehicle till the vehicle siren beeps once or the screen showing RL tire learning completed. After learning RL tire, infotainment screen will show spare tire learning start removing air from spare tire in the vehicle till the vehicle's siren beeps 3 times or the screen showing learning completed. Caution while learning. If any of the tires were without sensor, manual learning cannot be done. Each tire should be learned within 1 minute, and if you delayed on removing air, then tire learning will be aborted. Once learning aborted, TPMS learning procedure should start from beginning. Caution: TPMS can be applicable only when the following conditions are met. Tire pressure monitoring system has been customized only for the manufacturer's genuine tires and wheels. TPMS pressures and warning messages have been established for the tire size equipped on your vehicle. Replacement of manufacturer's parts with a different size, type or style of components may damage the sensor. Do not use aftermarket tire sealants or balance beads if your vehicle is equipped with the TPMS. Failure to comply may lead to sensor damage. Few points to note before using the TPMS. The TPMS is not intended to replace normal tire care and maintenance or to provide warning of a tire failure or conditions. The TPMS should be not used as a tire pressure gauge while adjusting vehicle tire pressure. Underinflated tire causes overheating of tire and may lead to tire failure. The TPMS is not a substitute for proper tire maintenance, and it is the user's responsibility to maintain correct tire pressure using an accurate pressure gauge. Tire Direction Monitoring System TDMS Alert. TDMS or Tire Direction Monitoring System Alert assists you when vehicle has just started and you are about to move the vehicle. It tells you about the current direction in which tires are aligned at very beginning of maneuvering the vehicle.